Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab, and today I am with our 2025 Toyota 4Runner. What I need to do is get footwell lighting in this vehicle. I don't know if any of the real high-end vehicles have footwell lighting because there are spots to mount factory-style LEDs in the footwell area. However, our SR5, no surprise, is not equipped with them. So of course our kit will include the wiring. It'll include 2 positive taps, which I'll talk about in a second, and it will include 2 LEDs of your color choice. I have chosen red for our vehicle. I had chosen blue for our Land Cruiser, so I just wanted to change it up a bit. Just to show you real quick, I'm going to turn on the parking lights, and then that LED will come on right there, and I can use this illumination switch to actually change the brightness as well. So it'll change the brightness of basically anything connected to the circuit. All of these change, all of the interior lights change with that switch, and so will your footwell lighting. So we had to remove a panel to get to this area. What you want to do first is remove this, and then you can kind of grip this right in here, and you start tugging it, and you pull it out this way, and then you pull it straight kind of out at an angle. So when you reinsert it, you'll stick it right in there, and then pretty much push it shut, pop it all in. I chose to wire this to the automatic high beam switch because it is the easiest to reach. Pull all of the wiring through, and then you'll connect the positive taps to the outer connections. So that white wire and that green wire. The white wire is your ground, so this red wire with black on it goes there, and the green wire is your positive, so your red wire goes there. The way you work these positive taps is you unscrew the gray part, put it over the wire, and then screw on the remaining red part. And then when you're done with that, you have your wires, which you unscrew this top, and you put your wire in there, and you tighten it all down, and they make a really good connection. Once you're done with all this, slip it back inside. So with this vehicle, there's a very small gap in the rear, and I'm shoving the wire that's the longer of the two that way to the passenger side. You will have to bring down this trim panel, and this is really easy. You just pull these forward and they release. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, and there's clips in the back that it just kind of rotates and hinges on the back. Once you get this, go ahead and put your LED on it. It's going to quarter twist into this hole right here. All right, so I guess it was more of a half twist because there is a piece of plastic right here that kind of grabs that clip and makes sure it doesn't move back and forth. And then just pop this up and you're good to go on this side. On the driver's side trim, I was able to access that area from the back. And then you half twist that in there and pull all of the extra wiring up into this area, zip tie it off so that it's not loose. You don't want it to hang down like this, obviously, when you're driving. You could get caught on it while you're trying to brake or accelerate, and it could basically put you at risk. All right, that was easy. Even though it's super sunny here in North Fort Myers, you can see the light right there. And of course, on the driver's side, you can see it right there. So please check out my website at stickerfab.com. You can find this, you can find so much more. And like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things I am coming out with for the 2025 and up Toyota 4Runner.